College classes are different, to say the least, and the academics of college life can definitely take a little getting used to. But that's where I come in. My name's Ethan Schlegel. I'm a tutor here at campus, and I'm here to tell you the top 3 reasons why you should use the library's tutoring services. Number 1, there are countless benefits to tutoring, but I'm going to try to count them for you anyway. So first and foremost, it's free for all students. You can schedule as many appointments as you like with available tutors, and it's completely free of charge. But perhaps most importantly, it's hands-on feedback. I think we've all been in the situation before where we're sitting alone doing our coursework, and it's a little bit like an echo chamber. You're not sure where to start, and you're not sure if you're doing it right. Well, when you come to tutoring, there's always someone by your side, and they're always eager and ready to help you with every step of the process. And they're consistently providing you excellent and on-point feedback. Number 2, there are several different kinds of options to accommodate your specific needs. Of course, we have the standard in-person appointments, but we also have virtual meetings. We have one-on-one sessions or group sessions. And not only is the format very flexible, but we also have quite a wide range of expertise here in the Tutoring Center. So name a class and chances are there's somebody here that can help you out with it, including some of the densest coursework like nursing and physics. Number 3, tutoring is entirely student-led. If you're coming in for math, for example, then your tutor's definitely been through calculus before, and we know how tough it can be. And so my point is, we've been in your shoes before, and not only can we help you out academically, but we can also give you some great advice on the college experience in general. We can give you some great tips involving organization, study skills, and time management. Tutoring happens here at the Volpe Library, which I hope I've conveyed is a lot more than just books. We have so many amazing resources here, like research databases, virtual reality exploration at the iCube, the iMakerspace with 3D printing, computer and other technology help and rental, as well as the testing center. So you can explore all these resources and more at our website. Wings up!